Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSave.com. We are in Nisswa, Minnesota. We are at the Grand View Lodge. I am obsessed with this property. I will post a full video showing you all of the different things around this property. It is huge, but right now I'm going to give you a look at our room at the North Hotel. This is a boutique style hotel and it is nestled right in the middle of the Grand Lodge property, which also features a lodge, golf courses, a rec center, so much more. But I'm going to take you into this hotel property now and show you our room. I'm also a big fan of these room keys. So innovative and so easy to use because they just go on like a bracelet. You can wear them the whole time. So now that we're in the room here, I'll give you a look around. As I mentioned, kind of boutique-ish, modern, but it still has that lodge feel that ties in perfectly to the rest of the property. This is the king room in the North Hotel, and as you can see, really spacious. I wanted to give you a look at this room style because when you come to stay at the Grand View Lodge, when you're doing your booking, there are many options for where you might stay. You can stay in the lodge, there are little cottages and lake houses and whatnot. So many options. So hopefully this will help you decide what is best for you for your visit. And that's the cool thing too. Regardless of where you choose to stay on the Grand View Lodge property, you are going to have access to all of the resort amenities. And they are endless, let me tell you. You have the spa, restaurants, the rec center, pools, the beach, so much to do, and it's all laid out so that you can access everything. Next, let's take a look at the bathroom area. These bathrooms are spacious. I found them to be really clean. They do have Aveda products in the bathrooms, which I love. And then don't forget that as a guest of the property, you'll also have access to all of the Glacial Waters Spa amenities as well. And I definitely recommend going down there because their locker rooms are incredible. So that's an added perk of the property as well. But as for these rooms and bathrooms, they're just really well done. And I love the vibe and just kind of chic feel of the layout of these rooms. They do have a lot of space, a lot of storage space, and then they also have a microwave and refrigerator along with your safe. And just look at this, you guys. It's the cutest little living space. It's so cozy and quaint, and it just really fits in with this whole woodsy theme. Somehow, it's just perfect. I'm going to give you a look outside now, and then just listen. It's just all so peaceful and beautiful, and you have to take it all in, but see how it all ties together. Just so awesome. And that, again, is just a smidgen of the property. Make sure to see my other video, which shows you a ton more of the property amenities. I can't fit it all into one video, but just the way that this property comes together with just the sights and the sounds and the sunlight, it's beautiful and it's perfect. Okay, now we're just going to take a quick peek down at the entry area to the North Hotel. We're on the second floor now, and I just want you to see how massive this grand entry area is. This is where the front desk is for the North Hotel property, but you can also see this amazing area of different seating options and tables, and families could do puzzles or play board games or cards or whatnot. But again, just so many different spaces to gather, and it's all in this wonderful lodge theme that just fits together so perfectly with the entire property. So keep that in mind. You have the entire Grand View Lodge property at your fingertips. And so make sure to watch my other video, which shows you so much more of that. I'm going to take you right down here real quick, give you a peek at this wonderful little coffee shop that's right here in the North Hotel. They have snacks and everything else. So wonderful. Again, let me know if you have questions. All the details will be down below. Thanks for watching. This is Carrie Lynn for SheSave.com.